Hi, today we discuss about organizational behavior and human resource management, that is OBHRM in mcom first semester. So we discuss about OB. So it is people who make an organization, but organizations make people too. It's a vice versa. So people things touch our daily life as organization do. So we depend on organization for education, employment, food, clothing, shelters, health, wealth, recreational, travel, and much more. So they touch each and every aspects of human life. But most of us have an casual attitude towards organizations. So organizations' importance is noticed when they fail to deliver their goods and services to us. For example, when electricity fails, we blame the electricity board. When train stops running, we take notice of the indifferent services of railways. When doctors in the government hospital go on strike, we blame the government, and so on. So it is essential for us to understand what these organizations are, how do they function, and how to make them more effective in their functioning. So the meaning is the word organization is derived from the Greek word organon. So itself derived from the better known word ergon, which means organ. An organization is a collection of people working together in a division of labor to achieve a common purpose. So organizations are extremely complex systems. The two most important that makes the organization a complex system are people and technology. The survival, growth, and success of the organization depends on the ability to understand, manage, and make the most effective and fruitful combination of those two elements. So, however, this is not an easy job, as every individual is unique and every individual is different with regard of their choice. So background, education, communities, religion, personal attributes, etc. to understand and predict the behavior of people is the most challenging task in the organization. So, mastering technology is also not an easy task, since what is recent become ancient in no time due to the rapid rate of discoveries and improvements on day-to-day basis. So, thus, when two complex uh, systems like technology and people come together, the result is an extremely socio-technical system. So the study of understanding this complicated yet interesting socio-technological or technical system is the task of organizational behavior. The knowledge of organizational behavior tremendously helps the managers fulfill their duties and to create more effective workplace for achieving all organizational objectives. So organizational behavior OB is nothing more than developing our understanding and developing of people skills. So a multidisciplinary field devoted to understanding the individual and group behavior, interpersonal processes, and organizational dynamics. So, organizational behavior, OB is concerned with study of what people do in organization, that is social system, and how that behavior affects the performance of the organization. So, individual behavior. Number 2, individual and group behavior. Number 3, organizational structure. So, organizational behavior is the study of both group and individual performance and activity within an organization. So, internal and external perspective are two theories of understanding organizational behavior by companies' organizations. So, this area of study examines human behavior in a work environment and determines its impact on job structure. So, performance, communications, motivations, leadership, etc. So, let's take a look how the perspective are different through examining. So, organizational behavior studies the impact of individuals, groups, and structures have on human behavior within organization. So, it is an interdisciplinary field that includes sociology, physiology, communication, and management. Organizational behavior complements organizational theory, so which focuses on organizational and inter-organizational topics, and also human resources studies, so which is more focused on daily business practices. So OB is directly concerned with the understanding, predicting, and controlling of human behavior in organization. The study of application of knowledge about how people as individual as groups act within organizations. So OB can be defined as studying, predicting, and managing human behavior causing by individual groups and structures toward the requirements of organization strategies. So individual levels, number 1, number 2, interpersonal level, number 3, group level, number 4, intergroup level, number 5, organizational level, number 6, interorganizational level. So first of all, we discuss about individual level. So as organization is a socio-technical system, the study of organization OB includes the style of individuals behave in different situations in the organization. So their actions, reactions, attitude, performance, etc. at individual level. Interpersonal level, as we all know, and as per Maslow, third set of needs, that is socio needs or social needs, people wish to have good relations with the person or people around. So in this cause, the behavior of the individual will change while interacting with others. Group level, group are the formal arrangements of people in the organizations for the accomplishment of organizational goals. So individual behavior differ when they are placed into groups. So OB decides the variation in individuals' behavior, vice versa, behavior in group also. Intergroup level. So and as organization is divided into many departments as well as further small groups, the behavior of individuals further changes with the numbers of other groups. So OB is concerned with coordinating and controlling the performance of various groups for the smooth attainment of goals. Organizational level. At this level, OB, organizational behavior, examines the organizations. So structured and the culture followed within and its impact on individual and groups. Now inter-organizational level. So inter-organizational relationship also is an important area of study in OB. So mergers, takeovers, acquisitions, etc. and its impact on the employees. Hence, it is important for the managers to understand human behavior at all levels if they want to get the work done and deal effectively with people. So OB thus helps them to do so. So objectives and goals of organizational behavior. The study of organizational behaviors revolves around the human behavior in the organization. So the objectives of organizational behavior can be described as follow, and I am discussing about this. Understanding the behavior. The first and the foremost objective is to understand the behavior of the employees at workplace in different situations and to study the reasons behavior those actions. It is an important functions of organizational behavior. The knowledge of OB helps the managers to understand the nature of their employees better and also guides them to deal with it. So describing the behavior. So organizational behavior describes how people behave in different situations under different conditions in organizations. These functions includes collecting information about the employees' behavior and then to describe them correctly. This helps in goal setting, target farming, performance appraisals, etc. It helps the manager to describe and communicate various aspects. So predicting, forecasting the behavior, better understanding the behavior and its causes helps the manager to predict the behavior of their employees in different situations. So after studying the behavior of their employees, they are likely to predict the action and reactions of the employees, as well as to know who can prove more productive for the organizations and who is disruptive. Thus, managers can help take appropriate actions to improve the performance of their employees. Controlling the behavior. This is final objectives of organizational behavior, to control or influence behavior in certain ways that will be beneficial to everyone in the organization. OB gives the capacity to managers to predict about their employees, like who are likely to be disruptive and who are likely to be sincere, and according they can plan out their ways to guide the employees for the betterment of their performance. The true goal of OB, organizational behavior, is however to serve a human tool to the organization for human benefits. So that's for the video, my friends. Thanks a lot.